Hey, how are you doing today? It's Justin Cooper at Total Roofing and Construction. We're out here at Cherryville, Indiana at our headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about JellyFish exterior permanent lighting. Who's tired of setting up Christmas lights and then taking them down, putting them away every year? Well, here at Total Roofing and Construction, we have JellyFish exterior permanent lighting, the one-stop shop. From Christmas to sports to accent lighting. We're your #1 permanent lighting exterior contractor in Northwest Indiana. Let's take a look. Greatest thing about JellyFish lighting is you can do it right from your phone. So as you can tell, we have the accent colors on right now. You can scroll through your phone. We can switch it all the way up to a Christmas. You guys are thinking about Christmas lights? Boom. Already switched to Christmas lights. Or you really don't want the green, red, white for Christmas lights? We can do the all white. Not just Christmas. We have sports, we have Easter. One of my favorites is Halloween. They got a couple different colors already preset. Another benefit about JellyFish permanent lighting, as you can tell, we have a track that matches the fascia and soffit. So you have the lights spaced out evenly, and then we have a white metal track that gets installed into the soffit, attaching to the fascia and to the back with a clip. The greatest thing also with this is it comes in all multiple different colors. We've done houses with black fascia and soffit. We've done brown, we've done gray, we've done tan. No exposed wires. Everything's all in there as a complete finished product. Blends in with your fascia and soffit. It's like it's never there. With JellyFish lighting, we install a box like this in your garage or your best location in your home. For the most part, it's connected to the Wi-Fi that's linked up to the whole network and system. But some houses, they have hard problems with networks and stuff like that. If you ever have an issue, you're also able to change the color just right by the box. It has every single season preset and accent colors, security lighting, Christmas, all your special holidays, and sports teams. It's as easy as clicking a button. Whether it's holiday lighting, security lighting, accent lighting, or even seasonal lighting, we have you covered. If you're thinking about adding exterior lighting, give us a call at Total Roofing and Construction, 708-201-7550.